Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at that. There we go. There we go, right there. Look at that, look at that. And what side, what have we got here? What do?
This is a 6-cylinder, 1999 Dakota, Dodge Dakota.
It looks brand new.
Fuel injected, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. Yet to be installed. That's the cab.
Well, you can say with accuracy they don't make them like this anymore.
This is the heat system my daughter put in.
I can see that steering column. Yes, it's gonna. You're gonna get it just right.
Mm-hmm.
All right. To be continued.
Yes, indeed.
Look at that. That thing is beautiful. Look at the. Did you finish that like that?
I did, yeah. Yep.
It looks like new. Is it gonna run like new? You pretty much did
Yeah,
it take.
ran good before we took it apart.
This summer we're going to be cruising around in this.
I hope so. This is going to be my main ride.
Yeah. You'll have to come to the car shows now. You'll have to, right? You'll have to, yeah. You're going to show up in this. You have to.
We would.
Yeah.
I don't want to do it by myself.
Yeah, I'll go. Bennington doesn't have a car show anymore, but boy.
You don't? You're all done.
Yeah. But maybe with something like this, we can bring it back. That is sweet. That is one sweet ride. There's the builder right there. And it's going to be beautiful. What color are we going to paint this puppy?
That's still in upper grabs.
Okay.
Maybe red, maybe green, maybe a saddle color with a tan top. It'll be a two-tone no matter what.
It should be. So you're going like an original, we're going an original look, or is it something different?
Well, the body style will stay original.
Uh-huh.
All the body forms and everything will stay original. The paint will be upper grade. It won't be a hot rod paint.
Okay.
Something classic.
Well, it just come a long way since I was here. I wasn't here last, what, a few months ago. It didn't look like this.
No, it didn't.
So you have been working. I'm impressed.
Good picture, yeah.
Oh yeah, we're taking a picture. And at what year is this?
1957 Dodge.
19.
Half-ton.
A what?
A Dodge half-ton.
Dodge half-ton. Okay.
D100.
You're ready to paint on that puppy right there?
Doors are over here. Get ready for paint.
Okay, yeah. They are ready. Okay, we're gonna